Are you looking to advance in your career but not clear where to begin? You've come to the right place. Let's talk about setting the stage to give meaningful, positive feedback. It may seem intuitive, but you'll be surprised how infrequently it occurs. Keep in mind, feedback is not limited just from leader to employee. The healthiest company cultures practice giving positive feedback leader to leader, peer to peer, employee to leader, and leader to non-indirect employees. One important point to remember about feedback is this: keep positive, do more of that type of feedback separate from the constructive performance-based feedback. When the message you're delivering is not clearly delineated, the impact and importance of it can be lost, regardless of which one you're communicating. Now let's begin. Step 1, set the time. For praise to feel genuine and have a lasting impact, it needs to be delivered in a timely manner. Schedule a discussion with the person within a reasonable period of the event, or utilize prearranged one-on-one time to offer your input. Step 2, set the stage. Open the conversation with a statement that indicates the feedback you have is positive and important, and what you're going to discuss is intended to acknowledge something that you've observed them doing well. An example of this might sound something like, "Pat, I wanted to take a moment to give you feedback on how you handled that client meeting on Monday." Step 3, set the scene. Offer up your specific feedback with instances so that the listener can visualize what you are describing. Use words that indicate what you observed, felt, and heard that made you realize this was something valuable and extraordinary. Make it clear that this is a do more of that type of behavior. It might sound something like this. "Lynn, I was impressed with your ability to lean into the client's concerns, maintain composure, and really get curious when they express their frustrations. You have a gift for high emotion situations, and I want you to know that I appreciate how you showed up." Step 4, invite them into the conversation. That can be as simple as, "Are you aware of your ability to engage in that way so naturally?" And step 5, give encouragement and thanks. It's important to encourage the do more of that behavior. And that may sound like, "I want to encourage you to continue modeling this behavior whenever you can. Thank you again for engaging with our client with such grace and professionalism." Now it's time for you to put these into action. I'm Kim Bohr, CEO of the Innovare Group, and this has been another intentional career advancement tip that you can put to use immediately. If you like this episode, please leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel for more career and business growth topics.